Hey, what up good people? It's me, MsEbonyV. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. On this channel, I do like to bring you a lot of hair related content, especially with wigs. As you can see, I also like to throw in a little unboxing, makeup videos. So if any of that's something you're interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. All right, y'all. So today is another unboxing of the brown sugar box. I tend to do these videos like every other month. I try not to do them every month, although I did just do one for the month of September. This is the October box this month. You know, we kind of get them a little late in the month, so usually I'm reviewing them in the next month for the previous month. That's just how it goes. So with the brown sugar box, it is a subscription for $39.95 a month. You can opt out of any month that you choose to, like I do. I tend to do every other month, but you do have to take the action of skipping the month. If you don't, you will be charged. I've learned that for this month specifically. So within the box, you do get about 5 items a month. And they have a retail value usually of $100 or more, but you're only spending the $39.95 every month. So, I mean, I feel like I get some pretty good products out of these unboxings, so that's why I've kind of been sticking around for so long. I just don't need them every single month. That's why I kind of skip a month. That's just me though. So I won't go too much into like the background. I mean, I always mention that it is founded by 2 beautiful ladies of the name of Izzy and Liv. And I say that because a lot of times you'll see products with their actual names on them. So I do like to at least shout them out and mention their names. And no, this video is not sponsored. This is off of my own coin. But I do like to point that out when I'm reviewing or unboxing these boxes. So let's just go ahead and dive right on into the box. I usually do not open it until I am on camera with you all. So this is what we got. So these are all of the goodies. I'm going to go ahead and start pulling them out one by one in no particular order. Now, we used to get a magazine. Now we get this little card that has all of the articles or, well, yeah, the articles that are included, that would be included in the magazine, but, you know, they've gone virtual now. So everything is online, and they had this little barcode that you can scan. Now, when I tried to scan this last month, it did not work for me. Let me try it again. You know, why not? So this time, this month, it actually worked. So I'm able to read off, hopefully, the prices of the items that I have in this month's box. So for this month of October, the theme is Queen of the Kitchen edition. Okay, so we're gonna get some nice kitchen stuff. I'm here for it. All right, so the first thing I pull out is this little handy dandy. I don't know what it is yet because I haven't read it. But I like the casing so far. It is a 6-piece travel utensil and straw set. Okay. Guess I never really thought to travel with my own, right? But why not, right? Uh-oh. Why is it so hard to get in here? Is this like a tape? Alright, so in this case are some utensils. You have some chopsticks, which I feel like I am buying all the time. Every time I go out the country, I bring my kids back chopsticks because they act like they can't eat anything with a fork. Like, they eat everything with chopsticks. Like, they foreign. Like, oh, like, they some special kids, for real, for real. Like, they both do. Like, how you both just love chopsticks like that? Anywho. And then I have a spoon, knife, and fork. As you see here, they're all in their individual baggies. So here's the knife. And the knife actually has, ow, that literally cut me. That's sharp. That like literally cut my skin. So, careful, okay? Be careful. Like that literally pinched my little skin. But look, it has a little design at the end of the knife. And this joint was a little sharp now, okay? About that kind of life now. I don't want to be harmed. Actually, the spoon and fork has it as well. I didn't realize. I was looking at the back, but on the front it has a little design. And there are probably multiple designs that you can choose from if this is something you would want to purchase online. There's also this golden straw to drink out of, as well as a cleaner. Yump, 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 yump. So this is actually kind of cute for traveling. Like if you just want to make sure you have your own, not bad at all. I feel like my sister would travel with something like this because I know she travels with her own straw because she can't stand paper straws. So for those people like that, you know, they be on this paper straw game now with, you know, trying to save the earth. So you take your own straw so you ain't got to worry about no paper straws, right? Handy dandy little utensil case. Super cute. Now for this utensil set, there are 4 different designs and the retail price is at $24. Alright, so let's move on to the next item. I have this 5-pack cleaning sponge for the culture. It is a 5-pack of cleaning sponges. Used, you know, to clean your dishes or what have you. There are 5 in here, as I mentioned. And they all have like a little culture design on each one. Maybe I should just open it so you can see it. You know, I ain't gonna be stingy and hold it all to myself. Okay? Let me open it for you. I don't want to take them all out. It's gonna be hard to get them back in here. Alright, let me just take out 2. But as you see, they have a little culture design on the back side. So you get the spongy side and then the design back side. Super cute. These are definitely going in my kitchen for my kids to use because I don't wash dishes. Like for what? I have kids here. Like, this is how you earn your keep. You don't pay any bills. You make sure my house is clean, okay? I am that parent. Yes. You are living here rent-free. You will keep my house clean, okay? So, I like this. Let me give you the retail value, which is $10. $10 for this pack of 5. It's kind of high, but I guess, you know, you can't get culture design on the back of sponges everywhere. That's how I have to think about it. It's like you can't just pick this up out of Walmart and you have like these nice culture designs. So I get it. $10. Alright, so moving on to the next item, and again, this is in no particular order. I just pick up what's at reach. And let's see what this is. I'm thinking, yeah, it's looking like an apron. Ooh, a pretty one. Oh gosh. Oh, I love the colors. Oh, I love the colors of this. So it has your little necktie. Go around. Put that in place. Look at these colors. This is so pretty. Oh, I love this. I don't even like to cook anymore because my husband's a chef, so I feel like there's no need for me to be in the kitchen cooking, you know. I let that be his area. But this is so cute. I might just get in the kitchen with him and do a little something. This is so cute. I love this. So let me see if there are any other, ooh, so there are 3 different colors. I would show you on my phone, but I feel like it's going to show up kind of weird and funky, so I won't even bother. But the retail value of this is called a Chef Bay apron, and it retails for $38. Wow, yeah, $38 for this apron. And look, I get to have it for $39.95 along with all these other items, so I'm loving that. Alright, so let's get into the next item, which is a 3-piece set, stainless steel blades. It's a cutting up, it actually says cutting up knife set. Super cute, right? Before first use, sharpen the blade to make it easier and safer to use. I have never seen anything like this, so yeah, this is quite unique and cute to me. Like, I've never seen a cultured knife set, and I like it. I like the idea of that. You know what I mean? Okay, so we got like a butcher knife here. Let me see. I don't want to. Okay, it's protected. So it has this little protector on it. This is the knife. Let's see. Yeah, I don't really have those skills because I'm not a cook. I mean, I can cook, trust and believe, but I freaking hate it. Leave that to my husband. He might like this. He would appreciate this. But, so you get 3 of them, as you saw. That was the butcher knife, and here's the other knife. Super cute. And then the smallest one, like this. So, very nice, actually. This is pretty darn handy. It does recommend that you sharpen them before the first use. So let me tell you what they cost, or the retail value. You do have 3 different design options, and the retail value is $35. $35, y'all. That's almost the cost of the subscription box. Win. This is a win right here. This is a winning box right here. Okay, it really is. Like, I'm here for it. All right, y'all. So the final item in the box is their monthly t-shirt. You normally get a t-shirt with every single box, and it normally has some kind of saying to go with the theme of the month. So let's look at this month's, and it says the secret ingredient is me. Yes, ma'am, honey. You better know that. Super cute. It's kind of giving me oh, I almost said Redskins. Washington Commanders team vibes. Don't hate on me. I am from DC. Do not come for me, okay? That's what I'm getting, but it's cute. I am liking this. I love the verbiage. The secret ingredient is me. I wholeheartedly believe in that. Yes, ma'am. And I do have this in a large. You can set up your size preference in your profile whenever you decide to sign up. If you decide to sign up, I do have a referral link down in the description box, so make sure you use that. Save yourself $5 off. Absolutely, off of that $35 or $39.95. I feel like the box is very well worth it. This month's retail value is $135, and you're only paying $39.95. Like, to me, very worth it. Like, I got some goods up in here today, okay? And they're all worth more than that $39.95 a month that I paid. So that's really all I have for you wonderful people today. That was a quick little unboxing for the brown sugar box for the month of October 2022. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. I truly appreciate it as always. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.